access memories on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can access your memories on your Snapchat. First of all, you have to make sure that your app was updated on your device. Then after that, you have to open up your Snapchat on your device. Then randomly, you have to click any of the photo. Then you can swipe up the filter here. So to access the memories on Snapchat, on the lower button, there is a save option. Go for save option. So here you can see that save snap memory is a personal connection of the snap and stories you save backup by Snapchat. Saving to memories instead of camera roll can save space on your phone. So by the help of this, you have to go for the save to memories, or you also can go for save to memories and camera roll both. But here you have to go for your save memories option. So here you can see that I have accessed the memories on my Snapchat. Then go back. On the beside of the circle, there is a gallery option. Click for that, and here you can go for your recently edited snap which has been saved to your memories. So here you also can search for your memories by using your place, date, etc. So that's the process how to access memories on your Snapchat account. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.